I always forget to say how much I use. This is 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. I may add another based off of, this is not even the chicken included, the cheese or anything else, and it's not wet enough for me. The other half of the chicken I've just added, and I may not need that other can because this is still pretty juicy, but I still haven't added the cheese. So I'll see how I go once I add the cheese. Cheese added. See how juicy it stays with the cheese. So it's still pretty juicy after all the cheese is mixed in there. There's one other thing I'm going to add, and it's rotel. It's just to change things up a little bit. I got this recipe from a coworker, and yeah, it's pretty good.